Hello everyone, welcome back to my maths video. So we were doing the exercise 7.1 of the decimal chapter. So question number 1, 2 and 3 I have solved and explained you in the last video. Today I will start from question number 4. Write each of the following decimals in expanded form. That means here decimal number is given. You have to expand this decimal number 14.87. So how to write this? Let's see. Now let us see how to write this 14.87 in the expanded form. Here this side, okay, left side of the point, every number should be written in the place value form, and after this decimal point, that means right side of the decimal point, you have to write the place values divide by 10 and 100 like this. So this place value 4 is 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. So you have to multiply the place values. So you have to multiply the digit and the place value. Okay, 1 into 10, then plus 4 is in 1's place, so 4 into 1, then plus. Now this point, okay, this decimal point is the boundary here. So after that, what is the place value of 8? It is the place value of 8 is 1 by 10. So you have to multiply 8 into 1 by 10. Then place value of 7 is what? 1 by 100. 7 into 1 by 100. Then now you have to multiply it. 1 10 is 10. 4 1 is 4. 8 into 1 by 10 is 8 by 10. 7 into 1 by 100. 7 by 100. So again you have to write this as it is. Now we have to convert this fraction into decimal because the question is in decimal. So 8 by 10, how can you write in decimal? So I have already told you that if there is 1 0, then the point will come before one digit. So 0.8. Here now, if there are two digits in the denominator, two zeros in the denominator, then point will come before two digits. So see here 0.07. So point is before two digits. Okay, that means after point there will be two digits, because there are two digits in two zeros. Okay, here 1 0, that means after point there will be one digit. In this way you have to expand the numbers. See one more number, D. B and C are your homework. Now see this question number D, 27.102. So 2 is in 10's place, so 2 into 10. 7 is in 1's place, 7 into 1, plus 1 is in 1 by 10th place, so 1 into 1 by 10. So here 0 is in 100 place, so 0 by 100, and 2 is in 1000th place, so 2 by 1000. So now 2 into 10 is 20, 7 into 1 is 7, this is 1 by 10, 0 will be 0 by 100 will be what? 0, 2 by 1000. Now you have to write this number as it is. Now you have to convert this fraction. So 1 0 is there in the denominator, that means after point there should be one digit, 0.1. 0, do not write 0 again. So 2 by 1000, that means after point there will be three digits because three zeros are there, 0.002. Understood? Very easy. Now this question number 5, write each of the following in decimal forms. Now they are given in expanded forms, so you have to write in decimal form. So it's very easy. I am writing here only. 40 is in 10's place, 6 is in 1 place. So here it will be point, because you will see this is the boundary, because after that fraction is coming, that means here it will be the point. So what will write? 40 plus 6 is 46. Point 4 by 10, that means this is in 10 place, so you will write here 4, and 8 by 100, that means it will be in 100 place, so it will here will be 8, 46.8. Very easy. Now this C number, 100 plus 40 plus 6, 9 by 100, 7 by 1000. So 100 will be in what? 100 place, so 100 1 will come first of all. 40 is in 10 place, so here 4, then 6 is in 1 place, 6. Now point, because from here fraction is starting. Okay, so 9 by 100, see here 10th place is missing, that means you will not you have to write the 10th place is 0. Missing means it is 0. After that you have to write in the 100 place, so here it will be in the 9, and here 1000 place, 7 by 1000, that means here will be the 7. Understanding or not? So some students do not write this 0, so it is a mistake. So 146.097 in this way. If any number is missing, then you have to write 0 in place of that number. Understanding or not? So now this B and D are your homework. Understood? Now let's see question number 6. Fill in the blanks. These are all fill in the blanks. So they are in given expanded form. So 4.08. So 4 is in ones place. So 4 plus. So here 0 is in 10th place. It is in 100th place. So here what will be the number? Here it will be the 0. And here 8 is there. So 8 is in 100th place. So it will be 100. Okay. 8 by 100 in this way. Now see, this is given. This expanded form is given. You have to combine and write here. So 80 plus 9. So here will be 89. I am writing in the here outside 89. Okay. Then from here fraction is starting. That means you will give point here. 0 by 10. That means here will be 0. Then 0 by 100. So here also will be 0. And 5 by 1000. That means it will be 5. So 89.005 in this way. Very easy. Okay. So this C and D are your homework. Now let's do question number 7. So question number 7 is about filling this sequence. Write the next 3 numbers in this given sequence. Sequence is the serial pattern of a number. So here you have to identify the pattern, then you can write the next number. So here see 11.23, 12.23, 13.23. So in every pattern you have to see what is the common thing here. Here you can see after decimal point 23 is common here. In every number 23 is common. And what is increasing? 11, 12, 13. That means before this point it is increasing. The numbers are increasing. So that means you have to write here 14. After 13 it will be here 14. Okay. And 0.23. Because 23 will be same. Again after 14 it will be 15.23. And after 15 it will be 16.23. In this way it will increase. Understanding? So you have to find out the common one, common digits. Then only you can write the sequence. Now here you can see B number. What is the sequence here? 1.01, 1.02, 1.03. Here what is common? 1 is common. 1 is fixed here. But after decimal point it is increasing. 01, 02, 03. So you have to increase like this. So 1 will be same common. After decimal point it will be 04. After decimal point it will be 05. After decimal point it will be 06. Like this. Understanding? So it's very easy to identify the pattern. So this C and D are your homework. Okay, very easy. Now question number 8. So question number 8 is about write the decimal for the following figures. You have to write the decimal form. So how to write this? Here you have to count how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 into 10 is 100. So 100 boxes are there. No need to count all. Only multiply this length and this length. So it is 100 boxes. So one box is shaded. That means what is the fraction here? First of all you have to write the fraction. Out of 100, one box is shaded. That means 1 divided by 100. So this is a fraction. Okay. Now what will be the decimal form of this fraction? So you know that if there are 2 zeros in the denominator, then where will the point will be before 2 digits. That means you have to write like this 0.01. Okay. After point there will be 2 digits. Like this. Now what it is? Here again 100 boxes are there. Total how many boxes are shaded here? See, you have to count it in this manner. How many boxes are shaded? Then write here. Then I am showing this one. B is your homework. Okay. C number is at how many boxes are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be what? Answer will be what? 4 by 100. What is the decimal form? How to convert the decimal number? Here 2 zeros. That means after point there will be 2 digits. So 0.04. So you have to add extra 0 here because there is only 1 digit. So to make 2 digits you have to give extra 0. 0.04. Now understood? So B number is homework. So this exercise 7.1 is complete and this is a very easy exercise. So all of you please complete this. Okay. So next day we will continue the next topic. Okay. Thank you.